in Windows, when something goes wrong, you can always Control Alt Del, open the task manager, and select this problematic process, and you can kill it. It happens in Linux as well. Sometimes you have some processes that locks the system and you just need to kill it manually. So the question is, where is the task manager in Linux? There are different ways of reaching the task manager. I will show you the default one first, which is px-aux is the default task manager. You can press it and you can see all the processes at the moment up and running, which is a quite long and exhaustive list. But this is all the process that you have. If you like to use it, you can just use this one. You can again merge this ps-aux command with grep, whatever the process that you are trying to find. For example, I want to find the Bluetooth one, grep Bluetooth. Then it gives me only the commands that the Bluetooth is involved. So you can merge it with the grep command as well. And another way of using it is, if I clear again, Htop, which is a program you need to install files. There are different methods in Linux, and it's gonna be a subject to another video. But very often you use sudo apt install and the name of the program that you want to install. So in here I'm trying to show you the task manager called Htop. If you press it and write your password, for me, I have already this program, so it is not installing anything new. But if you didn't have it, you will have the Htop installed now. So if you now start typing Htop, you will have a little bit more interactive task manager. You can see how much of the memory is being used, how much of the cores are busy, etc. So I think it is a little bit more informative and easy to kill the process. For example, if I want to go and select one process, which one I want to select. For example, I want to kill the process of my terminal. I see that it's X-terminal emulator. Let's say if it was not running well. As you see, you can use some at the bottom here. You can see some shortcuts of killing, making different stuff, searching, etc. But let's say I'm only interested in kill. You can experiment with other tools later on, which is F9. If I select whatever process I want to kill here, where was it? My terminal emulator and F9. Do you want to really kill it? It's asked at the bottom to me. If I want enter, yes, it killed my terminal. So this is, I think, the easiest and more intuitive way of killing a command. You could kill it with px-aux as well. For example, open the terminal, make it a big screen, make my font bigger, and if I, for example, px-aux and grep sorry, that was the wrong one. Grep terminator. You see, okay, that is not the right one. If I have the terminator was not as the word, it was not in the process name, so the term was in it. So if I see all the processes that has term keyword in it, which is one, the search process that we have, and the other is my terminator, you can kill the process, the process number or the process ID that we have, 8130, that would kill my terminator in a bit more regular or default way, but I still like the Htop better. You can choose whatever you want. Those are the two methods of checking your task manager in Linux and killing whatever the process is not behaving well, or whatever the process you want to stop. I will also, okay, in this video, I think those are the all commands that I want to mention. I will also make a ROS2 commands video later on, but for now, just the Linux related commands are, I think, is enough for this part of the tutorial. It has been already a kind of long video. Please let me know if something is missing, or it would be nice to know. And if you have any questions, you can always send me a message, and I would be very happy to answer them all. Yes, I hope you enjoy your experience with Linux. I really love it, and I love even more when more people love Linux. Okay, see you in the next videos.